home tip selling number 2. Okay, painting. Paint, I should say, not just painting, paint. Paint matters. If you're looking to paint your home white, see behind me in our home, this is in our house, it's white. The white you choose matters, right? So there is some shittier white paint which builders use, and it's not the best. The reason why I say shittier is because it gets scuffed up easy and it's not easy to wash, and the coverage is not great. And it also has this yellow kind of hue to it, and it doesn't really make the house look great. So yeah, when you have a builder home, you may want to paint, most of the time they have like this yellow hue to them. So if you're going to paint the house white, you want to have a really bright white. It stands out. So there's like Oxford white, there's Chantilly lace, there's other things along there. There's some newer whites as well. But you want to go and talk with somebody at Rona or Home Depot or something like that and just say, hey, I want to stay away from the yellow hues. What do I get? And what do you recommend? So yes, it does matter. If you don't want to go with white is sometimes hard, especially if you don't want to paint the walls 2 or 3 times, put 3 or 4 coats on it. There are some other products we suggest using, is like a light gray. There's like Bubble and Mist, which covers really well. You only have to do 1 or 2 coats because white is very difficult to paint. So there's also those options. So yeah, paint matters. Try to keep it bright.